Jeffrey Capobianco here from Breakthrough Performance Coaching. Just going to run through the necessary steps to both set up a TrainingPeaks account as well as load a training plan onto that account. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that you've received the URL from either Sun Multisport or from Breakthrough Performance Coaching for one of Sun Multisport's training plans. Go ahead and put that in here. It's just trainingpeaks.com/my-training-plans/Sun Multisport events. Add that in here. It brings us to Breakthrough Performance Coaching training plans with the Sun Multisport event logo here. And you can see the only one here right now is the SME Patriot Half First Timers plan. Although we do plan to add more plans in here, one for the Whaling City Do and Try, as well as the Cranberry Tri-Fest, a sprint and Olympic plan. So let's go ahead and click buy here. I'm going to go ahead and assume that you don't have an account already, so we're going to sign up for free. I will put in my name as Jeff Triathlete, my email address. Preferred sport, gender, username, iHeartBPC, password, and create an account. So now it will say either get on a plan, work with a coach, do it yourself. We'll pick search plans. It will bring us to the TrainingPeaks store. Unfortunately, we're not able to load a free plan into the store, so you're going to have to go back to that URL again, which is this one here. Now we'll click buy since we have an account, and even though it's $0, 0 cents, you still do have to click purchase. Your training plan has been applied. Let's log in and see what that looks like. Before we get to the steps of actually seeing the plan on our calendar, it's going to go through a number of different steps, asking what sort of training devices you have, if you're uploading workouts, et cetera, et cetera. If you have these, it's a great way to keep track of your training stress, what you've been doing, and it really creates a great log for you. So hopefully you have these devices. Certainly not necessary. We wrote the workouts assuming that you didn't, but if you do, fantastic. So I'm just going to choose do this later. And that brings us to our calendar here. So this is an adaptive plan. So if we want to add something into this plan later, we have the ability to do that and it will show up on your calendar. So you can see that mine is starting on the 5th of February. If you're doing this for the first time on the 8th, you will see nothing before the 8th. So I've got nothing before the 5th here. And then we can scroll through, see the workouts, and it's simple as that. So you can choose your email preferences, whether you want to get an email for today and tomorrow's workouts, whether you want to get an email today for tomorrow and the next day's workouts, so on and so forth. And you can always come in here and see your calendar and what's coming up. To view the workouts in a more detailed version, just hover over it, click on it. That will bring you to this more detailed page here where it's got a description of the workout, plan duration, etc. We have written most things based on time rather than yardage in the pool, miles on the bike or miles running. We do feel that for beginners and with a variety of different abilities, that time would be the best approach here. I'll hit save and close there. To upload data, it's super simple. I will create another video on how to sync your Garmin data to TrainingPeaks if you're using a Garmin. Suunto is another one. Otherwise, you can always manually input distance and time information into these blocks here, add some post-activity comments, which is really just your subjective version of how the workout went. I'm just going to hit save and close. And any questions, feel free to email me at jeffrey@breakthroughperformancecoaching.com. Thanks so much for watching.